it's Wednesday and it's time for literacy again. So today we are looking at these letter sounds, s, a, t, and we have got to match the pictures to the correct sound. Now in your pack you will find this, you've got a cut and stick activity for it. And then if you manage to do that, we've got the words, and you might need an adult to help you chop them. So, cat, cat. You'd find the picture of the cat and you'd stick it there, okay? And then if you find that easy, we've got pictures, and you need to find the word that matches. So you need to do your segmenting and blending, our chopping. So I'm going to show you this one. So we have the letter S that makes the sound S. And over here I've got three pictures. I've got a turtle, a seahorse, or an anchor. Anchor. So which picture is going to go in the S? It's not a circle. Turtle, no. Seahorse, oh, seahorse. I think I need to stick this one in here. Well done. Now we've got the letter A that makes a sound a, a. Turtle. Oh, that didn't begin with the a. A, anchor. Ah, that begins with an ah. And then at the bottom, we've got the letter T that makes a sound t, 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 t for turtle. I'll stick them in there. We're getting very, very good at this now, children, because we've been working on our initial sounds for quite a few weeks. So if you find that okay, move on to the trickier sheets, okay? If you have struggled with that, just keep practicing, okay? Because practice makes perfect. Bye!